Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to see all the answers in Google Form. So let's get started. First of all, let me just open up a Google Form right away. And then what you need to do, you need to right click on your mouse from any of the page, then go with the view page source. Okay, just go with the view page source and then go back, copy the question, just copy the question. All right, then again go to the view source option. Then what you need to do, you need to press Ctrl Ctrl plus F. Okay, just Ctrl F, you need to press it and this will open up to this segment. Now you need to paste your question right over here and then you need to make it 7 out of 7. Okay, like that, 7 out of 7. So here is our question. So where is the answer? You need to just go back like here. Here is the answer. Tutorial Arena is the best YouTube tutorial channel. Okay, so here is the answer. So if you go back and see, yes, Tutorial Arena is the right answer, absolutely right answer. So let's just simply go with the another question we have. Just copy and paste it right over here. And again, what you need to do, you need to make it 7 out of 7. 7 out of 7 has been made. Then what is the answer we got previously? Like that, me and you is the best. So East or West, who is the best? Me and you. So this is the answer, correct answer. So I think this may help you out in many ways. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please do like, share, and never forget to subscribe this channel. Have a great day.